Hello there, good afternoon. It's been a lovely week so far, some very welcome warm spring sunshine, but for others it's been a bit cloudier and also a bit cooler, and I'm afraid to say that theme is sticking around into this afternoon. Parts of northeastern England, also around coasts of East Anglia, still dragging in some low cloud from the North Sea, so some cloudier conditions here, and also quite an onshore breeze too, which is making things feel a little bit cooler, also fairly cloudy across Shetland. But elsewhere, high pressure clings on, brings wall-to-wall sunshine for many, fairly light winds, but just perhaps a bit breezier across southern coasts today, and feeling warm in the sunshine as well. Highs of around 17 to 18 degrees, but western parts of Scotland it's likely we'll get to 19 or possibly 20. So a pleasant day overall for many of us. As we head into this evening, we're going to start to see more and more of that cloud sweep its way in from the North Sea, drifting slightly southwards, moving into parts of Yorkshire, East Anglia, Sussex and Kent, and then eventually drifting into central and southern parts as well. Clearing a little bit more across parts of Scotland, but still clinging on across Shetland. But under those clear skies, that's where temperature's going to dip away, feeling chilly, likely once again to see some rural frost, but overall it's still going to be a fairly cool night for many. As we head into tomorrow, then it's still going to be a fairly cloudy start across central, southern and southeastern parts, but eventually that cloud burning back to the coast. But once again, that's where it's likely to linger. This time, though, mainly around coasts of East Anglia, Sussex and Kent may possibly hold on to some of that cloud into the afternoon. But parts of Yorkshire, Lincolnshire seeing a much brighter day, more sunshine on offer for them tomorrow. Still plenty of clouds still across northern parts of Scotland, but for many, particularly those northeastern coasts, seeing a much brighter day. And a few degrees warmer as well, highs of 19, 20, but possibly creeping into the low 20s once again around western parts of Scotland. But particularly for eastern areas, it's going to feel much warmer. Aberdeen, Newcastle, for example, almost seeing a 10-degree difference compared to today. Once again into the evening, we'll see a little bit more of that low cloud drift into southern parts, also northern parts of Scotland still holding onto the cloud, but many of us seeing largely clear spells as that high pressure clings on. And what we'll notice is the high pressure sinks to the south. That changes our wind direction to more of a northwesterly. So we say goodbye to that easterly dragging in the low cloud. And for Friday and even into Saturday, many of us seeing still a bright day, plenty of that sunshine sticking around. But a change is on its way, I'm afraid, as we head into the weekend, as that high pressure shifts southwards. That allows some frontal systems to move into the north. So more cloud across Scotland, perhaps western parts of Ireland as we head through into Saturday. Also a chance of some rain and drizzle. But of course we'll update you on that day to day on our YouTube channel. Otherwise that's it from me. Bye bye.